Hi, good day, M6138. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Rose Anbali Sulaybar. I'm 32 years old. I'm single mother. I have two kids, boy and girl, 11 years old and 7 years old. I'm graduate high school. Um, I have experience I have experience ex abroad, Saudi Arabia. My main duties here is cooking, and number one is take care the baby.
Okay. And other household chores that you do?
Iron and cooking, cleaning, take care of the baby.
Okay, and you are also taking care of pets, right?
Yes, sir.
What
There's
kind of pets?
cat, sir.
How many?
One.
Only one. And you have also another experience, but here in the Philippines,
Yes,
right?
sir.
You're taking care of an elderly which is 77 and 68 years old. They are also healthy,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And
sir.
you have also a son of your employer which is the 38 years old
Yes, sir.
and also the 40.
Yes, sir.
So four members of the family. And also taking care of a pets, right?
Yes, sir.
How many pets do you take care there?
Seven cats and I think seven cats and four cats.
Four dogs.
Okay.
Four dogs and six
Seven
cats.
cats. Yes, sir.
Okay, so since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is in Saudi Arabia, right? Which is 8 months old, a
Yes.
baby of 8 months. So you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir. I
And
know.
also you are okay to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
if the newborn baby is crying, what will you do?
First, sir, I check in diaper its full. Second, I check in temperature. Then, third, I, I check her tummy if
Okay.
you're hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you could, what will you do?
I call mom and sir.
You will call your
Yes, sir.
madam and sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because the Hong Kong is place, safety place, and also nice people and highest salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer needs want me,
So it is okay to you to extend your
yes, sir.
contract. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn the cook Chinese, like watching YouTube and reading book cooking.
Okay. If your employer prepared foods that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in holiday set up by your
Yes, sir.
employer. How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets,
Yes, sir.
elderly.
You, earlier, you know, sir. Sorry.
You don't have any experience taking
Yes,
care of
sir. I don't
elderly,
have experience.
but you maybe give it a try, right?
Yes, sir.
Because elderly in Hong Kong is not just like an elderly here in the Philippines that you have to take care so
Um,
much,
okay,
right?
sir. I try my best.
Okay. Um, if your employer prepared, if your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Okay, sir. Hi, mom, sir. Please hire me because I'm honest, obedient, and my patient. And number one, I respect your roles and on me and also on your family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Rose Ann. Thank you.